Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested Charms Pick a Card reading. Yes, friends, this reading is here. What is coming next for you? This is a timeless reading, friends. You can watch it anytime and it will help and resonate with you, friends. It is a general reading, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com, friends, and join and also, friends, this is for this week, and a lot is happening. Happy birthday, Aquarius. The sun will be moving in Aquarius, so a lot is happening this week. And there is also a conjunction with Saturn and the Sun, so that in Aquarius, that is also going to be very interesting. So lots of intense energies this week, and this is a charms reading. I have my bag of charms here. So friends, today's choices are here. Let's take a deep breath. Are you ready to pick your choices? Let's take a deep breath. Relax and choose option number 1. This beautiful red card, giving and receiving. Option number 2, this beautiful yellow card, the heart card, move. Option number 3, the beautiful rainbow card, the vitality. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below, so you can directly skip there and choose your option. Also, you can choose more than one pile, friends. Definitely you can choose more than one, that's also okay. And so let's see, you can watch the entire video also, because this will be like what is coming next for you. So let's see. Pile number 1. And overlook my nail paint, it's a bit scratched. It's quite cold, so the nail paints are not drying up easily. What to do? But it's a good weather, I like it. I hope you guys are well. So yeah, look at this. For those who chose option number 1, the giving and receiving card. Number 6, wow, this is a good week. I feel this is a good energy for you. Let's see what will happen in detail. Let's see that. So this is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. We'll see the charms also shortly. So let's see. All right, lots is happening for you. 5 of winter. Oh my god, you start the week feeling like, life is not, people are not trustworthy, life is not trustworthy, a bit harsh. You feel like life is a bit harsh. Maybe people are not giving you, friends, what you need right now. Like you need some help, you need some support, but right now or up till now you have not got that support or that help you need. So you are a bit upset, you are a bit sad, like that, you are a bit sad, like you are not getting the support, or you are not getting the people or help that you need. And you feel trust issues when you start this week. In this week also, some trust issues may be there. Look at that. Walk away from dishonest associations, realizing that what you thought you wanted isn't the best choice for your happiness. See, I think this is also a week of realizations. Like you realize some things that didn't work out are actually good, hidden blessings, something that's not worth the effort. Yeah, you feel like a bit disappointed this week, or right now I feel this is your energy. You feel a little sad, a little like, where is the help I need, where are the people I need, why is everyone so selfish? That's the energy you started or feeling right now. But the Hermit, I think you are going to think about this a lot. There is some issue that you are going to think about, or you are going to find solutions. This week you are going to find a lot of solutions by thinking, reflecting, realizing, and meditating. And also, this is a busy week. I see you focused on learning, I see you focused on spending time with your work, your career, your hobbies. So you're learning and you're spending time with yourself, and you like that. You will enjoy that because somewhere people around you are not behaving right. They are behaving a bit selfishly, so you want to spend some time alone. And that's good. The high priestess, your intuition will be very, very, very strong. And I do feel something will happen this week, which you already are having a hint of. Or you feel like something will happen, something will happen. Do you feel that? I think we all feel that. So something is going to happen that you are, you have a premonition about, you already have a gut feeling that something will happen. Or I also feel, friends, this week you should listen to your intuition. If something feels off, you should trust it. Like if something new, some friendships are coming, or someone asks you for something loan or something, you will not accept it, because if it feels off, it is off. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition, friends, is very strong. And I also feel you feel very connected to people around you. So very sensitive you are to people around you. Let's see what else. Two of spring. Yeah, you're very mature, friends. This week you are really, really mature, and you are focusing on yourself, taking your power away from other distracting people or distracting news or anything. If you are a student, like, you're focused on your studies. If you are working, you are focused on your work. And you are very mature this week, and it's a good thing. Listen to what it says. A bright future manifested through hard work and creativity. See? You're working hard this week. And not just working, you are also learning. Some of you might be connecting with spirituality this week. It's a very spiritual week, I feel, for you, friends. A lot of learning, a lot of reflection. Also, even relationships have some spiritual lessons. I'm about to go there about relationships, just a second. Partnerships with others who share your dreams, great progress being made. Yeah, you are looking for people who share your dreams, who understand you, who have similar thoughts and desires, who are spiritually aligned like you. So there is this energy of finding new friendships or looking for new friendships and new people. I also feel there is a person who is in no contact or who has ghosted you. They are thinking about you this week. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Someone is thinking about you. They feel very intuitively connected, telepathically connected with you, but this person is like in no contact with you right now, and they might have ghosted you. You don't trust this person. Yeah, could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I do feel, friends, you're focused a lot on, working on yourself this week, working on your money, your career goals, and increasing your knowledge, which is great, which is awesome. And I see this is going to bring you success, lots of success. This is the Hermit, is like success. Hermit is like wisdom, leadership. Hermit is also like you have the power to lead, to guide people. So that is there. And the King of Autumn, I feel someone is watching you from the far, someone is watching you. It could be a new person, but most of you, it is someone you already know, someone you work with, or someone who ghosted you. They are watching you from far, but I don't know why this person is keeping such a quiet, so quiet. I don't know. They want to talk to you. They're trying to understand you. You appear a little mysterious to people, friends, this week. So they are trying to understand what's going on in your mind. What are you thinking? This person from the past. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, these things are very lucky for you, friends. You may not realize it, but you are very lucky. Things are moving forward, even though there is no change right now, you can't see, but I do feel things are about to move forward. So decide what you really want, learn from the past, and let it go, and get ready for a new start, because something amazing is going to happen. I also see some of you are going to travel, or you want to travel. You are dreaming of traveling, of seeing places you have never seen. I feel a long distance connection is important. I keep getting the London eye, so maybe London or Europe or USA is important for you. Or maybe you want to go there for travel, or it is your dream destination. So you are thinking a lot about increasing traveling, or just changing your life, having some positive focus in life. Delays are over, sudden or unexpected good luck, a new car or travel. See? Yeah, I do feel, things will start to shift for you because the sun is moving into Aquarius. And, when the sun shifts, there are obviously good changes happening from 9 moving to 10, positive changes. So, a good week for you. And you may still be struggling a little this week, but I feel you're very stable. You're not worried about it. The seven of autumn, yeah, you're waiting for something, friends. There is a lot of wait here. You're waiting for new partnerships, or you're waiting for some money to come your way, or college or news from your college, universities, or exams. So you're waiting. There is some wait involved here. And have patience and don't worry. Take time to rest and play and plan your next steps. Yeah, exactly the energy. Plan your next steps, friends. A lot is happening behind the scenes for you, so it is time to take a deeper look into your life this week. And a present investment of a prudent investment of time or money. Yeah, I think you are going to change your life, friends. The coming months are going to be very different for you, so this is the time you should take to decide what you really want. And I do see someone is waiting to offer or contact you. Someone is waiting to offer you a job, or there is a lover who is trying to get back in touch with you, but they, I don't know, they are waiting for the right time to move towards you. The chariot, success that comes from dedication and self discipline. Celebrating your accomplishment and being in the spotlight. Wow, I do see you on a travel. Travel is on your mind. I don't know whether you will actually travel, but you are desperate for traveling. You are desperate to changing your life. You are desperate to share your wisdom. And some of you may be starting to work on your hobbies, your goals, and it will make you feel very excited. I see you will join some hobby classes, maybe online or maybe somewhere in the neighborhood. You will feel excited. I also see some of you might be planning to get active, like fitness wise, jogging, or starting a fitness routine, which will be good for you. So I feel money wise there is a bit of wait here, but I think it is not going to take forever for money to come in. Things are, the wheel is here, so things are lucky for you. It's a good week for you. And someone is wanting to in love, someone is wanting a new start with you, but they are a little scared, you know someone wants a new start with you. So let's see your oracle cards. So I would suggest you to listen to your intuition, friends. This is very important this week, to listen to your intuition. And also, some people are not behaving, not. So, friends, I would suggest you to listen to your intuition this week, because some things are not honest, or like some people are not behaving honest, or some people are being selfish, or maybe some deals are too good to be true. So listen to your intuition. Also, something is shifting in your life, so listen to your intuition. You will know what to do. And meditate this week. And let's see your oracle cards. Change your focus. Yeah, if you feel that life is not life is not giving you what you need, I think it is time to be changing your focus. Be a little positive, friends, because you have the luck, so your luck is shifting. So be a little positive, and you will find more positivity in your life. And also be a little mature. Take responsibility. Don't sometimes we are like, life will get better on its own. No, it doesn't happen like that. We also have to be a little balanced. We also have to do actions to change our life. Like, God can give you a cake, but you still have to cut the cake and eat it, right? So that way it is. Get ready, stay positive. Some good things are going to happen, or a shift is happening. And what else? Success and growth, Eight of Wands. Yeah, I do see a lot of messages are coming, and your focus is mainly on building your life, your career. You're also finding like who is trustworthy and who is not, who is there for you and who is not. That is the main question here, this week. You are like, who stands with me and who doesn't? And what do I want for my future? That is where you focused on. Caring connections, yes, beautiful relationships are coming for you, friends. If you feel someone hurted you and left you behind, they cheated on you, let them go, because new people are coming for you, maybe in the future. But you are ready for new connections, you are ready for supportive friendships, and there is a friend who want to talk with you, a lover or an ex-lover or someone in no contact. They want to talk to you. I don't know if they will I don't know if they reach out, but they still have feelings for you, they like you. Man holding a coin, yeah, definitely you're focused on money, career, and future growth. So you are looking for long term, your plans are long term now. You don't want anything short term, you want long term success, and there is a person who will help you out. So listen to your gut, listen to your intuition. It will guide you to who is the person who can help you. Maybe it's a colleague, maybe it's a new person. So yeah, let's see some advice for you. Be bold and make the first move. See, wow, this is amazing. I was exactly telling you this only. This is the time. God can give you the cake, but you have to cut and eat it, right? So that action is necessary. So if you are wondering, oh, my life is not changing, you also have to do something, friends. So be bold and make the first move. Take action, friends. Believe in yourself. You're very intelligent, and you're very mature. So if you are planning to travel or shift or relocate, I think you will be able to manage it. You'll be successful, and you will also find helpful people, helpful support. And if you are looking for money, yes, it's coming. It's coming by the help of some supportive people or job offers or business offers. So yes, let's see your charms. Let's see for pile number 1. Oops. Option number 1. What will happen to them this week? Oh, almost dropped. Okay, I dropped a few charms. Let me just grab them here. So quite a lot of charms you have. Let's see. Wow, you have number 5. 5 is about change. 5 is about change, which are positive and which will bring you sorry friends, which will bring you success, So yeah, let's see. Wow, you have very few initials actually. Interesting. Let's just separate them a bit so it's easier to read them. You have some numbers also. Okay. All right, so let's see. So the black horse, I feel like you are very bold, friends, and maybe you are struggling to take a risk or go for some changes in life, maybe in work or career or in your friendships, or I think you can count on yourself. You are very strong and you are quite stable and mature, so count on yourself. And the yellow card, stay positive, friends. It is nice to stay positive this week. Don't be too serious or negative. Stay positive, stay balanced. The green, yes, money healing will happen, friends. Healing in family, healing in money will going to happen for you. The dog, someone is very loyal. In fact, I feel you want loyalty, loyal friendships. It is coming your way. You have the initials F and I. If we make the word if from it, so if this could happen, if my luck was good, I hear you saying those things. Yes, everything is happening for you. Don't worry. And number 17 is here. And interesting, today is 17, so ooh. And number 23 is important, so yeah. And 23 is also in this week only, so let's see, maybe they are important for you, days 17, 23. And the red house is about passion. Focusing on your passions will make you happy this week, friends. Do something that is passionate for you, like any hobbies or any work, do something passionate. It will make you feel, work on your goals, dreams, your future. It will make you feel happy. Apple, good health. Yeah, some of you, good health is coming, friends, and it is a gift. It is a reward from the angels, from the universe. So, the more positive you stay, the healthier you will be. So, don't worry, some celebrations are coming. Yeah, someone has hurt you, friends. I feel this will heal this week because you have the caring connection. Something will heal your heart. Something will happen, like it will soothe your heart, or you will find some balance, some sort of a balance with the past situation, some healing with the past situation, and some celebrations are coming. Maybe a party with your friends, or with your colleagues, or something, or in the family. So, mushroom, yeah. This is a magical time for you, friends. Nothing, sometimes, some weeks, nothing happen on the surface, but everything is happening behind. The potential is high. Things are happening behind the scenes, so don't discredit. This is a magical week for you. So manifest and focus on positive things. And the turtle, slow and steady wins the race. Be slow, the leaf. Yeah, you are going to find value in your past. Something is bothering you which you haven't figured out why this thing happened, what was the reason why this thing happened. So you will figure that out. And look at that, the unicorn. Your intuition is very strong, friends. Listen to your intuition. Dragonflies, I feel you're very connected to animals this week. So, birds, animals, pets, all you are drawn towards. Dragonfly, changes. Again, changes are coming. The rose, yeah, you're going to find people who are beautiful, people who are supportive, people who understand you. And someone likes you. This golden heart is like someone likes you. Maybe they are not telling you, but they have tender emotions for you, and they are loyal. Even though they may not appear, they may have tricked you in the past, but I do feel this person is maturing up. They are going to say a sorry, apologize, or you will figure out why the situation happened. And the pink bead is falling in love with yourself. Love, self care. This yellow bead is about money. Some of you are worried about money. It is coming. The mother, yeah, I do feel mother healing will happen, and there is also a chance of some of you getting pregnant, or finding some chances of pregnancy, because passions are high. A lot of new birth, a new birth potential is here, whether it is like you have a baby, or you start something new, or you heal a past wound. Black, yeah, you're very protected, friends. Cycles, yeah, your life goes in cycles. The past was one cycle, but now a new cycle is about to start, so don't lose hope. June, yeah, June is important, so maybe what you want will happen in June. Neptune, a little bit of confusion will happen, friends. I told you, right? Neptune can also make you feel slightly sad because of the past or current situations. Don't worry, but keep change your focus, stay positive. October is important, June and October. Six of Cups, a soulmate is coming for some of you. It could be past one, or it could be a new one. Five of Wands, you are very, very sure of what you want. And and you're quite opinionated, friends. And people, anger issues may happen, arguments or something, because you are very sure of what you want, and people around you are a bit selfish, a bit egoistic. Sorry to say, but that's how they are this week. So take care, just maintain some distance. And Sage, oh my god, look at this, the Hermit and the Sage. You are the wise one here, friends. You can do anything, don't worry. Venus, love is coming your way, friends. Definitely. A helpful person is coming. Maybe you will help somebody, or someone is going to help you. And that's going to improve make you smile and improve your week also. So make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see what's coming next for you. If you chose this beautiful yellow heart card, very beautiful card. It is number 7 and it says move the chariot. Wow, very powerful card actually. And let's see, this is a charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. This is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. And let's see. Wow, lot is happening, friends. 7 of spring. Wow. I think, friends, this week you are feeling very excited. You are feeling very passionate because with Chariot, you are like quick, 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 and your passions, you're feeling very passionate. You are feeling very strong, or you're very quick to impulsive. That's how I feel you're feeling impulsive when you start this week, and you're not, you're very passionate about whatever you are doing. Even in minute talks, you will feel very passionate. So passion is high because this is a want energy. I feel you very passionate this week. Passionate about your goals, about your dreams, about what you are saying, about the things you like, people you love. A lot of passion is here. Be assertive, don't back down from what you believe, courageously standing up for yourself. So yeah, you gonna do that. You gonna stand up and fight for what you want. So I think people around you should get prepared because you are surely going to debate with them, because you are like, nope, I'm not gonna accept it without fighting. Like you will say say your opinion. You will share your opinion, what's on your mind. And I feel if you are not feeling bold, I think in the week you will start to feel bolder and passionate. So it's a good energy. You're very, very passionate. It's like a kick. You are feeling a kick, like, yeah, I wanna do this. You're very passionate about something. Justice, yeah. This is this week, I think this is a week where past rewards are coming for you. The past hard work you have done, it is going to bring you justice, it is going to bring you success. Maybe you are dealing with some legal issues, or you are dealing with someone has hurted you, or someone did you something wrong, you are struggling with it. But I think justice will happen. Things will be fair, And even if you have an argument or a debate with somebody, it will go in your favor, because I feel the luck is in your favor this week. So yeah, take the time to review the details carefully. You will win in the end. Fair and objective decisions. Yeah, see. I definitely feel, friends, justice will be, karma is in your favor and something good will happen. If you are fighting from a long, long time, like for love, if you are working on a goal or on a dream or on your work or on your relationships, you will find justice, friends. It is like, you have worked a lot, you have put in a lot of effort, but your rewards are missing, but they will start coming from this week. So good energy, good energy. Star, your wishes are going to come true, friends. And number 17, and today is 17. Ooh. So interesting, friends, very interesting. Definitely your wishes, you have a very, very high chance of getting a wish fulfilled, or it is a perfect time to set some new dreams or goals and start working on it for you this week, because whatever you start, it will go in your favor. And if anything you started in the past 8 months or past years, you will get some reward, some respect for it, some success for it. I also feel that some of you are preparing for something, like preparing to go out, like go out in the sense, like preparing to like show yourself, like on social media, starting some social media. I see fame coming your way, like you are preparing for a social media, you are preparing for an interview, You will be lucky, you'll be lucky, you will do well in it. And this is star is like wishes coming true, friends. So whatever you're working on, it will bring you success, don't worry. Your success is coming, and you have two major arcanas. This is the third one. Oh my god, awakening. Ooh, hanged man. You're frustrated, you're a bit frustrated. You're like, why my success is not here? I have done my work, I have waited, I have manifested, but where is my success? Where is my reward? Where is my twin flame? Where is my lover? Where is my money? Where is my success? Where? I think, friends, it is coming to you. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Things are going to shift for you. Change the way you are looking at the situation. See? Embrace your uniqueness, a temporary pause in action. Yeah, I do feel this is a very busy week for you. You may have a burnout if you don't take some rest. So take some rest, and also don't get fixed. I find you a little rigid this week. Like, you are like, no, I will do this thing like this. If someone says north, you will say east, and you will stick to it. Stay a little flexible, friends. It will be good, because the energies are such that otherwise it can lead to debates or something which might not be very helpful, because you are in a good energy. So stay flexible. Let things be. Let the universe give to you. Stay flexible. And Prince of Autumn, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Aries, Leo, Sag person is important for some of you. And look at that. Yeah, I feel, some of you are like, when is my money going to increase? When am I going to earn? Where is my success? Where is that promotion? Why we are still struggling after years of work? I feel, friends, things will get better. This is like taking a slow and steady approach to this week. This is a fast and furious kind of a week. Have you seen that movie, The Fast and Furious? It's all quick, quick, quick cars and all that thing. So that's how this week is for you. Fast, furious, passionate. But take it slow, friends. And you could be dealing with someone who has an age gap with you. If you have children, you might have some arguments with them because of the tensions in the air. And if you are dealing with legal issues, you will find relief there. And I do feel someone is running away from you, a twin flame, or a relationship is a little stuck right now. Give it some time, friends. Don't be too impulsive or rash. Give it some time, things will shift. Four of Wands. See, marriage. Some of you are like, should we get married? Yeah, it is time, we are supposed to get married. We don't have anybody, but we'll get married. Oh, you are a bit frustrated with commitment, marriage, and all those things. I think you will find your solutions. You will find, just stay flexible. The reward is coming. Don't lose hope. I also feel like some of you may be celebrating an anniversary, or someone is getting married in your family, friends, or someone near you. Or maybe you are unhappy that a past lover got married. So you are a bit unhappy about it, like why they got married and you are here, why they did this to you, they didn't got married to you, what happened? Justice will happen. Justice will happen. There was a soul contract, but I feel you will find some relief in this situation, friends. Just stay patient. Queen of Summer, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I think, friends, you might focus too much on your passions and your aggressive side this week, so it is necessary to focus on your emotions. I see like two opposites this week for you. Like, you are either very happy, or you are like, oh, you're very angry. So, very upset or very angry. So just take a balance, stay balanced, and listen to your heart, follow your heart. Don't be too impulsive, I feel. Listen to your heart, and stay flexible. Some things are manifesting for you. Just like, if you're waiting for a new lover, it is coming, it is on its way to you. You may find a new person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sag person this week or in the coming days. But you need to be patient and flexible. They may be different than what you expect. Ace of Cups. This is about self love, friends. You are falling in love with yourself, and you are feeling confident. You are feeling bolder. You are feeling like, all right, I'll follow myself. I will follow my star. I take charge of my life, and that's how you're feeling. And definitely, this will attract love and romance to you and new friendships. So get ready. A lot of people are messaging you, I see, on social media, trying to get back in touch with you. I see someone from the past, a friendship, a childhood friend will talk to you this week. It will be nice. But you have to stay flexible, friends. Don't be too rigid. Because otherwise, it can lead to debates, it can lead to arguments. Don't do that. Seven chakra, Archangel Uriel. Yeah, listen to your intuition and listen, believe in yourself. You are very strong, friends. You are very confident. Spread your wings and fly. That's the energy. And yes, you are ready. Some of you are ready for a promotion or for some awards. It will happen, maybe not this week, but in the coming weeks, it will happen for you. For some of you, you may also start some new courses this week, like something you always wanted to do, like learn painting, learn calligraphy, dancing, something you might start a book you always wanted to read. So something will happen. You will start something new, small something new. Rest and rejuvenate. Yes, friends, it is a very passionate week for you. You are very aggressive. So take some time to relax. I'm a little scared of your energy because you are like, who? We're gonna charge. We are like the bulls. We're gonna rule. So take some time and rest and enjoy also. And don't be too impulsive or aggressive. Opportunity beckons, Four of Cups. You are like, where is my opportunity? Where is that promotion? Where is that lover? Why this happening? Why? It is coming, friends. It's coming. What you want is you're on the right path to success. Things will shift, and just keep moving ahead, keep moving ahead. And the throat chakra, number 5, yeah, communications are very, very, very important. How you communicate this week is very important. What others are telling you is also very important. So listen, you also have messages from the universe coming to you. So listen, and be kind. I feel a lot of communications are very, I think, Mercury retrograde will start from the end of January, but I think you might have it even now because you are so impulsive. So, take it easy, friends. And let's see some advice for you. Believe in the impossible, blue moon. Wow, you can achieve it, friends. You can achieve what you want. Don't worry. You can do the impossible things and you are on the right path. So don't worry. You will have that marriage you are looking for. You will have that love. You will achieve success. Maybe you are looking for business success or you're a self independent worker. You will get success there. Don't worry. Let's see your chance. For option number 2, what will happen this week for option number 2? Ooh, lots of charms. See, such a busy week for you. Like there are truckloads of charms here. Let's see. Inspiration. Yeah, you are inspiring a lot of people, friends. So don't give up. And let's see. A lot of people are important for you this week because you have a lot of letters. And pile number 1 had only 2 letters because their week is more focused on themselves rather than other people. So, marriage is important. Look at that. So, some of you could also be dealing with an ex lover or ex husband or wife, someone you married, but they might come back or they are on your mind. Let me just shuffle, just arrange them a little. All right, let's see. So let's see, friends. Your alphabets are L-O-S. Lose. Wow, lose is here. LOSE. There is also age, AGE. Maybe some of you are worried that you should have your success, you are getting older, you should be married, you are getting older, or you should find that lover, it is time. So yeah, LOSE and age is important. You can also make the word sage here, that is also here. So let's see. The number is 28, that is important for you. And number 4 is here on the dice. So fourth month is important, or 4 as number could be important. 4 is also about marriage, 4 is also about partnerships are important. Ship, yeah, people from some other cities and countries are important to you. Maybe you want to travel abroad for studies, or you're waiting for work there. So yeah, you will get some news from people who are in long distance from you. You are very protected. Look at that. Charms of protection. The iron. Yeah, there are some problems in life that you are a little upset about. Like, ooh, when this get resolved. Things are working, friends. Things are working. Don't lose hope. This is about peace also. I see like this is the leaf of peace. So focus on peace. Red car, very passionate. You are very, very passionate about things you believe in, friends. Be calm. I'm telling you again. The plate. The plate is like, a lot of people are important this week for you, friends. Maybe they are on your mind, or they are in your life this week. So, offer someone tea, or, just it's like peace offering, Plate is like share some food and peace. Peace out. And look at that, the energy of clown is here. The energy of a clown is here. So take time to smile. I would suggest you to watch something that makes you happy or makes you laugh. Also, a child may be important, maybe some of you want a baby, or you are dealing with children. So that is important. And let's see what else. The tree of life, Casablanca, is here. So family is very important to you this week. Family is very important, and your roots, where you are going, what is your roots are very important to you, where you belong. The superhero, yeah, you're like a superhero. You're charging into your week like a superhero, Wonder Woman, Wonder Man, and you're like, I'm gonna ace it. Yeah, you're really gonna ace it, trust me, if you just take care of your temper. The three of this is the three leaves. It is about growth, it is about prosperity. So your rewards, hard work paying off. Snowflake, a wish will come true. The star is here, some wishes will come true. You have again the tree of life, so you could be dealing with a twin flame, or a marriage. You could be dealing with that. Yeah, cross, fated connection. So whatever is happening in your life right now, you are exactly where you need to be, friends. Some of you are like, we are not where we need to be. Like you feel like, something's happened wrong. You should have been somewhere else. You should be doing something else. Destiny is with you. Believe in the impossible. Things are, you are being guided in the right direction. Something that happened in the past was fated. It was meant to happen, and something will happen again for you which is meant for you. Bunny, lots of passion, a lot of passion. I do feel this is the week of passions for you. Bouquet, yeah, someone could offer you a bouquet. You might present or gift someone bouquets. Maybe it's your birthday. Maybe also some of you some new lover is coming, so they might offer you some gifts, compliments made with love. Yes, you love somebody a lot, and they also love you. This golden bead is about prosperity. The elephant charm, listen, you should listen to people. You are in a hurry to talk this week, but listen to people. Again, you have this prosperity charm, growth charm. So you are growing, friends, don't worry. You are growing in the right direction. And look at that, the boxing gloves. I told you, arguments can happen. A difference of opinion can happen this week. So stay calm, stay relaxed. And marriage is important, commitment is important. Some of you may find new people through marriage. arranged marriages, dating, or commitment is on your mind, whether somebody wants to commit or you are dealing with someone who is already married. So commitment, marriage is on your mind. And look at that. In the winged heart, you are very protected, friends. You are very protected. And some of you have a big destiny, fame ahead in your future, so you are in the right direction. White, focus on peace, friends. Peace is very important this week. And five of coins, yeah, money. You're feeling like you need more money, you need more success. Prince of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Neptune, feeling a bit, fixed. Neptune can also get fixed in, fogginess, feeling of fogginess or fixed. Mouse, feeling like you might argue with people or people might argue with you, and you might feel like this is powerlessness, I can't shift this situation. Blue, but use your mind, friends. You're very intelligent. A mouse, cats chases mouse, but mice always gets, escape from the cat. So you can do that. You can be smart and escape. Three of Wands, yeah, you want expansion in your life. You're done with this past. You want expansion. You want new. The King of Coins, we have a page of coins here. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. July is important. Yeah, so things will be shifting positively from July, or maybe someone born in July is important. Ten of Wands, you are done with some situation. You are like, I am done with these pressures. I can't handle them anymore. Lover, yeah, lover is important. A relationship is important. A lot of arguments, or someone has gotten married or they are not committing to you. Those issues are active this week. Seven of Coins. We had seven of coins. No, we didn't have. We had it in the other one. The seven of coins is keeping your patience. We had the seven of spring. Keep your patience, friends. Keep your patience. Past life connection. Yeah. If someone left you or someone is away from you, or if you're not getting married with the person of your choice, it is a protection for you. It is something which is destined or right now is supposed to happen. So because also if you're not getting a job, because your destiny is greater, friends, so have some patience and don't lose hope and keep working hard. Inspiration, yeah, you are an inspiration to many. So yeah, make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful rainbow vitality card, let's see what's coming next for you. This is the charms reading. Very beautiful card, number 1. And this is a card of healing. I feel something starting new, some relief, some healing, some good news coming your way. This is the advice. This is the oracle messages for you. We'll look at the charms shortly. First, we'll see your cards. Let's see. Wow. This is a very family oriented week for you. Look at that, 10 of autumn. You start the week feeling, or what is family, who is family to you. Also, you will be spending some time going to meet your family, or your family is coming over to you, or your friends who are your family, they are coming over. So a lot of family themes are important. Family is important, is on your mind. For some of you, money is also very important. Like money is on your mind, whether you will get success, money, financial security or not. Take steps to ensure the financial security of your children or loved ones, making wise investment or planning for the future, and honoring the family traditions. Yeah. So maybe some of you are dealing with family, and I also feel most of you are focused on finding money, or investing money, trying to double your money is on your mind, friends. Money, security, emotional security, family. You start the week with that. And what else? The Prince of Summer, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, this person could be important to you. Or I also feel that you are feeling a little sensitive this week. You are feeling very, you are in a very open, romantic, very young, youthful energies. You feel a little emotional about family. about life in general this week. Your emotions are high, in a positive way. So it is a nice. You may feel very romantic. You may also read more, romantic poetries and all those things. So yeah. Let's see what else. 10 of Cups. Wow. Yeah, you are looking for something, ultimate happiness in love. You are looking for home. Some of you are like, where is our home? Where is that happiness? For some of you, I do feel some good moments are coming this week where you will feel like very blessed. Some time with family or some happy moments with a lover. They are coming your way. So you will feel like, finally, things are going good. Some relief, some tender moment, some happiness, some joy is coming for you. And you are also very open. Emotionally, you are very open, like of finding or being in love, meeting a lover. You're very emotionally very open this week. It's a good energy. Let's read what's written. An emotionally fulfilling life with family or friends, and raising children wisely and people you can trust. See, so I do feel some happy moments are coming. Maybe a celebration in the family, maybe it's a wedding, maybe it's an anniversary or childbirth. So you feel excited, you feel happy, and there is happiness in the, or you're dreaming about these things, like you are feeling connected to these things. The three of spring, yeah. You're focusing on expansion. You're focusing on expansion, expanding your life, and you're ready, you are ready for commitment. Maybe if you're single, you want to get married. If you are not working, you want to work because you want money, you want financial security. Also, if you are married, you are looking for family expansion because you are ready for a childbirth or something, or you may be dealing with issues related to pregnancy, childbirth, reproductive issues, all those things. Plan your next steps with an eye to the long term. Have patience. There are more good things to come. Satisfaction from a job well done. So, oof, wow. So good things are coming your way, friends. Absolutely. This is, this is an emotional week for you. And three of autumn, yeah. People are ready to work things out with you. There is a lot of support. You will find people, ready to help you, or, support is coming. If you are looking for financial help or something, you will find it. You're even at work, people will be more supportive of you, understanding of you. And if you need like an off, they will be like, yeah, sure, why not, take it. Also, if you are a student, group studies are more, you will be studying, planning with friends, long term things. And I do feel there is a chance of a romance also. Someone you feel is a family, or someone, they see you as family. They will come and talk to you this week. They want to work things out with you. Four of Cups. Now you're very idealistic this week. You want ultimate love or nothing else. You want marriage or nothing else. You want this perfect, how do I say, this ultimate, this romantic novels, you want that kind of a love. You may feel like, life is a fairy tale. You may feel that way this week. Also, you may feel like, life is a little boring, a little dull, because you are not going out, or this is a bit emotional week for you, friends. I have to be honest here. You are in your emotions. You may feel like life is a bit dull. You need some you're all in your emotions. You need a change. You are like, when will I get married, how it will be, all those. You are in a very romantic mood, so it's a good thing. The moon, oh my god. Emotions are very, very high, friends, this week for you. So watch out. And your, mood swings can happen. But I feel you will feel balanced. You will feel happy, moreover, for most of you. And your creativity will be very high. You will feel like connected to songs, to music. Even past lovers are coming for you. I feel someone is coming, or you're missing someone from the past that you feel very connected to, a twin flame, a soulmate, or someone you are married with. Maybe your husband or wife is at a distance, or you're living away from your family, or missing them. There's a lot of love there, a lot of love and missing. Five of spring, yeah. There is a conflict in your heart and mind, this week. So be careful about that. Your heart is like, oh, I love this person. Your mind is like, no, they are not good for you. So there is this energy of conflict happening within you or in your relationships. You want this ideal, you are like this baby this week whose heart can break by a simple no. Like if your lover says, hey, I'm busy, I'll talk to you later, your heart will break because it will shatter your heart because you are in a very innocent, pure energy, like a child's energy. Opposing goals arising from differing opinions, feeling at odds with yourself or others, and overly ambitious people. Yeah, you are dealing with people who are quite ambitious, and maybe some of you are psychics, intuitives who have chosen this pile number 3. So you feel like people just keep pressurizing you to go out, achieve, do all this, but you're an intuitive, you're a psychic, you're happy wherever you are. Maybe like someone is telling you to get married, but you're happy wherever you are. Family is telling you to get married, or they are telling you to have kids, but you're happy wherever you are. So maybe like you are a man and you are happy, but like everyone is like, you can have more success, you can have more achievements, you are very talented, and you are like, yeah, but I'm happy here. So I see people forcing you, but you are happy where you are. Let's see what else. Victory. Wow, this is a very emotional and spiritual week for you. A victory is going for you. A spiritual victory will happen if people keep going and keep doing what you are doing, friends. Don't listen to people who tell you to do something else, because you are going to achieve a victory. You are going to achieve success in whatever you are doing. Maybe you are an artist, a musician, a singer, a creative person. Maybe you are a spiritual person, or whatever you are doing. Maybe you want to stay single, maybe you want to get married, whatever you are doing, you will achieve success in it. So keep following, don't worry. And look at that, number 16, patience. Yeah, divine timing is definitely at work. So if people are asking you, where is that fame, where is that, if I also feel this is your time is coming. Your time to shine is coming. Your time for love is coming. Your time for deeper commitment or marriage is coming, and a twin flame union is coming for you. It will happen for you. Just have patience. Number 15, the ego, the devil. Master, wow. You can be, you could be dealing with people who are workaholics, or very ambitious, or you can yourself be very ambitious and workaholic. So you may be a little hard on yourself, friends, this week, especially because you are a little emotional, you are relaxing, you are enjoying life. So your mind will be like, why are you enjoying? You should focus on winning. You should not take time out. You should be working all day, all night. You should be stressed out. But your heart, listen to your heart. There is the solution. And 15 and 16 consecutive, coming together, Two of Cups. Yes, friends, a beautiful relationship is coming for you. Your relationships, all your relationships are going to improve. So don't lose hope. All your relationships, whether it is love or friendships, family relationships, things will improve. Don't worry. If you are looking for commitment or marriage, or someone you can rely on, it is coming, friends. It will happen for you. Don't lose hope. Let's see. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Yeah, friends. You're very lucky, friends, and your luck is changing. So don't doubt yourself. If people doubt you this week, just ignore them. You are doing fine, and it's okay to relax a little and be a little non-ambitious. It's perfectly all right. And let's see your chance. Option number 3. What will happen for option number 3? Ooh, you have lots of chance. It's gonna take us a while, so yeah, grab your tea, coffee, whatever. Let's see. Ooh, let me just separate them a little. Ooh, why you wanna go there? Money is coming, friends. You're gonna find healing. You're gonna find healing and money. If you are having mood swings, friends, or anxiety or stress, or some sort of like depression, it's healing. Don't worry. And look, something will happen which will make you smile, some happy. I do feel someone will compliment you or message you, or something will happen that will make you feel like, aha. Hello, I'm yours. Yeah, someone loves you. They are coming, friends. They are coming. It could be a past lover or a someone new. So, yeah. Who you have lots of charms. Let's see your alphabets first. There is V, there is I, there is T, Wit. Although there is no, that's not W. There is a W here, Wit. Someone witty is coming your way. And I feel be smart, be smiling. If you smile this week, people who tell you like be ambitious, do that, you are not following what we expect, just smile, they're gonna really, that's gonna surprise those some people. Diet, yeah, some of you might be going for dieting, or you wanna be you don't, I don't know, maybe someone is telling you to diet, lose some weight. Don't listen to them. You're perfect. You are amazing. Self love is good. And law, maybe you are dealing with someone from the law, or someone who is a doctor, or someone who is a lawyer, judge, something like that. People are giving you a lot of advice. You listen to your own advice, right? So there is LAWVITE, and number 17 is important, and number 14 is important for you, friends. And let's see, cycling, yeah, some of you should, I think it will give you a relief if you go out for walking or cycling, because you have a lot of emotions, so it will help you. Owl, a lot of messages are coming. Stay open. Butterfly, changes are coming, positive changes. Heart, something will happen that makes you happy. Songs, where you are very connected to creativity. The headphones, some of you may buy new headphones, someone may gift you new headphones. So yeah, also creativity, music, all this is very important for you now. And look at that bouquet. Yeah, some celebrations are coming your way, some sort of a celebration, some gifts, compliments, or birthdays are coming for some of you. Let's see what else. The wheel, yeah, things are moving forward. You may feel life is stuck right now, life is a bit slow, nothing big changes happening, but things will shift for you very quickly. Again, you have a guitar, so yeah, creativity is very nice. Violin, it's like a violin or a guitar, I don't know. It's a guitar probably. So yeah, connect with music. If you are a musician, artist, creative person, focus on yourself, believe in your talent, don't listen to others. And the golden owl is about money. You'll find the fame, you will find success. My god, there is a lot of music charms here. What's going on? I think music can really help you heal also this week, and you may be connecting with a musician, artist, poet, something very romantic or creative. A lot of music is here, so focus on that, friends. Listen to your favorite songs, it will help you. Heart, yeah, you're very connected to people. Lord Ganesha, so prosperity is coming for you. You are destined for success. Peacock, yeah, it is time like you show yourself, friends, and you believe in yourself, your gifts, your talents, don't doubt yourself. The flower, you're working, hard on yourself. Don't be hard on yourself, be easy on yourself, love yourself. It's not others' job to love us, it is our job to love us. And leaf, don't listen to others. There is like a lot of leaves are here, see? These are things you need to let go. See, so many leaves are here. Leaves, leaves, leaves. Too much of thoughts. They could also be emotions. Too many emotions, too many thoughts. There are like 5, 10 leaves here. Don't listen to everything that's coming in your mind. Feminine, this is the female, the Venus charm. So, someone born yeah, like a Libra person is important, or you're very attractive, friends. You're also very sweet and tender. You're very kind. So enjoy that. Don't change yourself and focus. Even if you are a man who's quite, who's a workaholic and who doesn't like to wait, or doesn't like to have a time off or relax a week, Do it this week. You will enjoy it. And the flame is here, the torch is here. So yeah, you are going for changes and your path is changing. Starfish, wish is coming true. The bow, childbirth is important, friends. Something related to child, babies. Again, lots of leaves, lots of leaves. Heart, yeah, someone likes you, friend. Someone likes you, maybe someone is going to propose to you, or someone from the past is returning. Another leaf is here. This is about prosperity, so money will come your way, don't worry. And the umbrella, yeah, it may rain where you are, so make sure to carry an umbrella. Also, friends, if you feel like you are not prepared for the future or you are not safe, yes, you are. You are being guided and protected. What is this? This is the lotus charm. Oh, sorry, friends. So, yeah, spiritual awakening is happening in a person or a relationship. So, stay patient. Weed. Oh, wow. Some of you could be dealing with, issues of mood swings, depression, anxiety. Friends, I would say music can help you. Instead of chemicals, go towards music. It will heal you. Or listen to my videos, our channel, that can heal you. There's a lot of other channels that can heal you, friends. Support is coming. This flower is about support. You are a diamond, friends. You are a diamond. Don't doubt yourself. And this bead is like extra thoughts. Again, tortoise. Take the time off. Don't worry. And again, this heart. Take care of your heart, friends. Take care of your heart. This is a random bead. Just random, nothing important. Seven of Wands, don't give up. You're very close to achieving faith. Keep the faith. And giver, I told you you are a giver, friends. You're very kind, you're very sweet. And look at that, the deer, you're very sensitive this week, friends. Take care of your energies. And Knight of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important. Two of Ears, a little bit of confusion is there. You feel like you need to make a change, but you are not sure. 10 of Ears, yeah, something, the struggles are over. Now your life will be positive. Healer. You are a healer, friend. Some of you are doubting that maybe that you have a healing ability or you are a psychic intuitive. Yes, you are. Maybe you are doubting you are a musician, an artist, a painter. Yes, you are. Go for it. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, Prince of Cups. Prince of Cups is here also. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. March is important, friends. So, wow, that was a long reading for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now.